Hey GTA, welcome to LSV Weekly, your guide to living smarter, greener, and a little more inspired. This week, we're exploring the GTA's hidden green escapes, crafting a vegan twist on a comfort classic, and tracking the latest shifts in our real estate market. Let's get started. First up, from secret ravines to tucked-away trails, we're spotlighting the green side of the GTA you've probably never seen. Our top 10 hidden green spaces reveal just how close nature really is, even in the middle of city life. From tucked-away ravines to quiet conservation escapes, these are the spots locals whisper about, but rarely share. Let's get started. Number 10. Glen Stewart Ravine, Beaches. Wooden boardwalks, towering trees, and birdsong that makes you forget you're in Toronto. Number 9. Rouge National Urban Park, Scarborough. Also known as the Rouge, Canada's only national urban park, massive, biodiverse, and surprisingly close. Number 8. Crothers Woods, East York. A mountain biker's paradise and forested sanctuary right in the Don Valley. Want the full list? Stream ranked hidden green spaces of the GTA, now on lifestylevideos.com. Next up, comfort food, reinvented. This vegan egg salad sandwich brings all the creamy, tangy nostalgia, minus the eggs.
Instead of hard-boiled eggs, I've got tofu because it is full of protein, it is delicious, and it has the same texture as like the white of a hard-boiled egg. So let's get started. I'm using a firm tofu that has been pressed. You don't have to press your tofu. So look at this. I've used like 2 little bites and I've already got like piles of egg salad. I'm gonna throw in mayonnaise because I think any good egg salad sandwich is full of really good mayonnaise. So regular mayonnaises are not vegan usually because of egg, but if you can find a really good one, it'll change your life.
Fast, filling, and 100% plant-powered. Get the full recipe and nutrition breakdown now at lifestylevideos.com. And now, your weekly market pulse. From Durham's steady listing growth to Peel's renewed buyer demand, the GTA's real estate scene is finding its rhythm again.
What's up, GTA? It's time for your daily market snap. Today, Yorkville takes the spotlight. What's really shaping this high-end Toronto neighborhood? Let's uncover the full story from the last 30 days. For single-family homes, we're seeing sold listings are up, but freehold properties are moving slower. The average sold price has risen to $8 million. What about condos and condo towns? Sold listings are up, and properties are taking less time to find buyers. The average condo price has also risen to $1,600,000.
Catch tomorrow's LSV Daily Snapshot for the latest trends, or explore a full real estate Rewired short doc, streaming now at lifestylevideos.com. And that's your LSV Weekly, your smarter living playbook. From morning walks to market moves, we've got your week covered. Subscribe, share, and explore every feature at lifestylevideos.com because smarter living starts here every week.